So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Till now we have seen a lot of AIs and we have seen a lot of AI tutorials. Like you see that Leonardo AI creates images based on your text, or you see that ChatGPT works as your personal assistant, or there are many other AIs like Blackbox which can make a code for you, and many other AIs that are available in the market. But what if I tell you that there's an AI available which can make you feel like you are talking to a specific character like Elon Musk, Socrates, or any other fantasy character that you might have even thought? And it also gives you the power to even create your character on yourself. And these characters are really well trained by the AI models and they copy the character very accurately, and also they have the right information what they need to know about the character. So you can check that out, and the name of that AI tool is character.ai. I'll tell you more about character AI, but I just want you to know that if you're interested in AI and AI tools, we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. The link is in the description and more details are there ahead in the video.
Hey Aditya, I'm working in this office since the last 5 years and you just recently joined and you have a salary 5 times as me. How is that possible, man?
It is because I'm using AI tools and ChatGPT to automate my work, and I'm working 10 times as compared to you. That's why I'm getting paid 5 times as compared to you.
That is super, man. Can you please teach me the same so that I can grow my salary as well?
Absolutely, I can.
And let's continue the video. So character AI is a neural language model which is a chatbot service that can generate human-like text responses and participate in contextual conversations constructed by previous developers of Google Lambda. The beta model was made available to use by the public in September 2022, and here users can create characters, craft their personalities, set specific parameters and then publish them to the community for others to chat. Many characters may be based on fictional media sources or celebrities, while others are completely original, some being made with certain goals in mind, such as assisting with creative writing or being a text-based adventure game. So once you open the website, you go on the site and you see that there are various different characters that you can see, like man in the corner or Aqua or English teacher or Socrates, and these are the different personalities that are either created by people only or by other people. So you can have a dating coach to whom you can talk, or you could have an English teacher to whom you can talk. Now these AI might either help you or either by, like, they might be just be there for fun. So it's like up to you how you want to use them. But today I'm going to tell you like how you can send pictures on character AI. You need to open your character AI homepage, and as you can see on your screen, and right here you can find all the AI that you want to chat. For example, you just need to choose right here like who you want to chat, for example this one, and basically all you need to do is send a picture. So just need to click on this plus right icon here at the bottom. But if you don't have this option here, the plus icon, so all you need to do is check your URL link. So if you don't have that option right here, you will find your link right there on the chat and then question mark, so you'll find a number 2 on that part and on the URL. So all you need to do here is just erase or delete that number to the right of your URL, and basically you just need to, and then you will find that plus icon right here at the bottom which will show up here at the text box. And guys, before moving ahead, I just want you to know, nowadays you all might know that AI is taking over the world, and in just a short span of time you have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. And I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that an AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity, and also enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Now, let's continue the video. And now, if you reload the site, you can send a picture in the character AI, and that is how it is done. Like, you just need to delete that number from the URL. And guys, that was a quick tip on how you can use character AI, and now you can even send images to your character and have a discussion about it. So guys, this is how you can send an image even to the character to whom you are talking. And if you see that the site gives a very good insight, like if you are alone or you want someone's help in specific manner, like if you are like asking someone, like if you are asking someone like I help with creative writing, or you want to talk to Albert Einstein and other people, you can just do that very simply. And guys, this is a really good AI tool that I'll recommend you to explore. And guys, that is it for this video. and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and also drop a comment if you have any doubt about this, and also do share your review. How did you like the character AI? And don't forget to subscribe Be10x, and do remember that we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. Do check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.